Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. Today we're doing the second part of the experiment, but I'm doing it with some other colors because, well, I figured these ones would look nice. Sorry there's been such a delay on this video. My sleep schedule is all backwards. And yeah, so I'm a little late. Very sorry. Some days are better than others, and if last week was not it. So, and today we will be using Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple, Loft Phthalo Blue, 4 drops of the Loft Silicone, Loft Gold, Liquitex Basics in Quinacridone Magenta, and Loft Yellow, deep yellow, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So I added 4 drops in each, just, at least I paid attention this time, so I know I actually added 4 drops. Right. So now to layer Flip Cup. Okay, so I'm gonna avoid using white at all costs in this one because I want to see how vibrant I can get it without putting white in it, because I find white dulls it down. So we start with the purple. And I'm just doing my excuse me, doing my classic off the side layering method for this one as best I can. The blue, yellow, gold, pink? Yeah. No, yellow, pink, gold. Again, just using tiny little canvases. So, don't need too much paint. Can go blue. Pink. Purple. Yellow. Whoops. Painted myself. Gold. Okay. That shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to write down my layering order and I will be right back. So, I literally just abbreviated the colors I have going on in here. So, excuse me. We'll layer the next one in the other style that I know of. So, trying to very lightly just kind of put it like all over as a layer. Without having it go too crazy through it all. I'm excited to see how this one turns out because I haven't done this one in a long time. I think it's also very finessey trying to get it done like this. It has to be a very finessey, like little small stream of paint, not from too high, because otherwise if you have it way too high it mixes through. Like in the last experiment, which will be linked up here if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. So, where was I? Gold. Also, paint densities do a lot as well. I know I'm blabbing on, but off we go. It's almost like I'm using less paint doing this method than that method compared to the other one where I was like, I just used way too much paint. So where am I? Okay. Purple, yellow, gold. Then we're done. Yeah. Stuck to my finger. Ooh. Now that just looks neat. Okay. I'm gonna do some cleaning and I'll be back with the 2 canvases so we can flip them. Okay, I guess I'll flip them one at a time. So I'm gonna stick this one off to the side because this is technically the control. I was gonna flip them at the same time, but then they won't set for the same amount of time. So yeah, there was less paint in that one than this one. Also, tape, stay, even though it doesn't really matter. Ugh. So after this experiment, I'm going to compare the 2 flip methods. Okay, so not the next video, but the video after that will be comparing flip methods, if you would. So I'm going to do this little paint bit here. And I'll be back. I'm very excited to see what happens with this one. Oh, cat hairs. Where are my tweezers? Whatever, I'll just use my palette knife, I guess. This, right here. Do you see it? Here, I'll shuffle you over so you're a little bit more centered. Didn't realize how off center I was. But there's a cat hair right here. Eh. Friggin'. Oops. Friggin' cat hair. Can't really see it, but whatever. I have 2. That's why my arms are mangled sometimes. 90% of the time. I do like playing with them, so I get some battle wounds sometimes. Onward. Oh, I'm gonna lip it. Okay. Put you over here. It's already very, very pretty. I like that blue thing at the bottom. White tape just kind of let go and it was weird. Ooh, don't stick your thumb in it now. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, so I'm gonna take off these gloves and torch it. Without getting paint all over the place, hopefully. I like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty. curious. Very curious to see how the next one turns out. I'm going to shuffle this over and get the other one ready, and I'll be back. So now we'll do the squiggly one. I already got paint all over them. Down with the white paint. So these streaks right here are caused because some of the paint leaked out of the cup. That's no big deal. Just kind of be like, and it'll tilt off anyways. Didn't mean to do it so aggressively, jeez. I like it. It's different. How vibrant phthalo blue is. It's just like in your face. I'm blue. Sit you down. Get this front edge because I didn't want to cover it all the way. But oh well. Okay, I'm gonna take off the one glove because I'm gonna need it. Need the other one to. Dang. Okay. So what I was doing there at the second part was I was torching the other one up in the corner because, well, I figured, well, if I gave the other one like a more of a full effect, I figured I could, you know, do it to the other one too. So I'm gonna slide the other one down and I will be back with a more detailed close-up looking thing. And yeah. So this one is the classic layering method. I do love the primary aspect to it. It looks really neat, especially with the gold popping up at the top. So this is just the layers, like one on top of another, normally, like off to the side. I don't know. It's different. I like it. I like how the blue and yellow mixed. Really love how vibrant the phthalo blue is. Here's the other one. This is what I mean by like vibrant phthalo blue. By the way, when I do my flybys, I try to let them dry a little bit so this edge is dry before I film, because it creates less of a glare, just so you know. I really, really like this one. I think helping, or turning up the torch partway through really, really helped. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like these paintings. Let me know if you want to see more like this. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all next time.